Welcome. If you're looking to easily access your shared files right from the Dropbox home screen, you've come to the right place. Whether you collaborate frequently or just want quick access to shared content, showing the Shared Files section on Dropbox Home is super simple. Let's walk through the updated steps together. First, open your Dropbox app on your device and head straight to the Home tab. This is where Dropbox organizes all your key sections for easy browsing. Once you're on the Home tab, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Right there, you'll see an option labeled Customize. Tap on Customize, and this will open up a list of different sections you can display or hide on your home screen. Here, look for the Shared Section toggle. This is the setting that controls whether shared files and folders appear prominently on your Home tab. Simply toggle this shared section to the on position. By turning this on, you're telling Dropbox you want to have quick access to all files and folders shared with you, right from the main home screen. After you switch that toggle on, make sure to tap Save to confirm your choice. Once saved, you'll automatically be taken back to the Home tab, where you should now see the Shared Section displayed. This shared section makes collaboration much easier because you no longer have to hunt through multiple menus or search manually. Instead, all the files and folders others have shared with you are organized and ready to view with a simple tap. That's it. Just a few taps and you've customized your Dropbox home screen to fit your workflow better. Now your shared files are always front and center, helping you stay productive and connected. Whether it's for work projects, family photos, or group documents, you'll find everything neatly organized under the Shared section on your Dropbox Home. Thanks for following along. Enjoy your streamlined Dropbox experience.